It's freezing out here, but we still on our journey to make $20,000 a month in passive income. So in order to do that, we are trying to figure out what are the best products. And this week, we're going to show you the best products that can sell quickly in the vending machine. So you know exactly how much money you can make and how much they go for. So that's what we're going to do. Peace out. To make good money, I need to sell products that customers like and consume. But the only way to determine that is to find empty trays versus full trays. Now that I know which trays are empty, I know exactly which products to restock. This is my beautiful wife. She's been behind the camera the whole time. What we got?
Ooh, we got some Snickers, M&Ms. We're gonna do full restock on both machines.
Okay.
So a double pack of those.
Okay.
Double pack of Kit Kat, Reese's, Hershey's. Twix, they were asking for more of, so we got a whole separate pack of that.
Okay.
These seem to be going fast. The Reese's, different types.
Okay.
What else we got?
What else we got?
More just Reese's, because they love the Reese's.
Okay.
And they asked for more Snickers, so
And
a whole 48 pack.
Despite the wintry conditions of the bad roads, we still have to go to our machines and restock them. Now that we have arrived at one of our locations, we are gonna go ahead and restock some of these vending machines because some of the aisles were empty. Laser go. Since the ramen noodles was selling fast, I wanted to add another coil so that I can sell more noodles and make more money. But there was a big problem. So we figured out that my wife set up the machine for the ramen noodles. Ideally we sell them for $3. She set them out for 5 cents. So the guys at the store must have been like 5 cents. Let's take everything.
So they depleted the machine within 3 days. So we're like, oh, those must be great.
Yeah.
Let's restock. We restocked and now all of those ones are gone.
Let's see. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, wow. That starch feels good. Let me show you. See all that money right there?
That's some car counting.
That is good, man. That is good. I am happy, man. Okay, we'll count it in the car. As for the drink machine,
Not much just moved. So we need to restock some of the Coca-Cola. We have that in the car, right?
where are we going to put it though? Right here? Yeah.
Are we putting in Monster? Take out the Coca-Cola, put in Monster. They have, or take out the Pepsi, one or the other. They have Coke and Pepsi.
The Gatorade hasn't moved one bit. Yeah, check out the Canada Dry Monster and see what that looks like. Okay. If this monster takes off, we're in good shape.
How much are we selling that for?
$5 a piece. Sell 10 of those, that's $50. So let's see if the Lay's, Gatorade, Monster, and ramen noodles sell better this time. Because if they do, the profit margin is going to be really good. For the Lay's, I had to double stock them since they were flying off the racks. And I did not even change the price. For the Snickers, Twix, Reese's, Smart Food, ramen noodles, Mountain Dew, and Takis, we restocked all the racks and made sure there is no chance of them running out. Maybe we could take out these and put in those Reese's.
Or maybe we just...
So for our machines, Mountain Dew, Lay's, Takis, Snickers, Smart Foods, ramen noodles, Twix, and Reese's were the best sellers. So now when you push that, it's $5. 50. Oh yeah, we are done. We're gonna wrap up. Alright, this one too. Good. Everything looks good. All done. Let's see how much money we got out here.
No kids in the back today to help us count though.
No.
We'll
Look
have to
at
count.
this.
We'll have to count together.
Yeah, look at this money.
Money.
Yeah.
Money.
So it's 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Class,
There's more?
there's more.
There's more?
There's $2 from the other machine.
18,
$19.
And we also got $2 in cash from the other location this week.
Yeah.
So $21 in cash this week.
Mobile money, it was around $12.75, and here we had $34. So total, we're looking at $43. That is $43 plus another $23. You're looking at $65
This week?
this week. The reason why we do this business is so you can have this money right here. Now we are going to put this money together, and my wife is going to keep track of it. And this is our stash of money right here. This is why we do it. That's a wrap.
Let's go.